On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat my eyes only problem easily and fast. So if you have any problem with my eyes only option, all what you want to do is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and wait a few seconds. On this page you will find all the apps as you can see. Scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on storage right here. Now on this page you will find all the total of the storage that you have in the app. All what you want to do is click on clear data, click delete, and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back, and the last thing you want to do is go to the power usage details and disable this option of power consumption alert and click down here on force stop. Don't forget to like, subscribe.